There's a new Ronda Rousey, and she's only 9 years old. Hey, thanks for tuning into The Fumble. Make sure you click subscribe and join the notification squad for updates on all the latest. I'm your host, Britt Johnson. Remember when Ronda Rousey was on top of the world in the UFC? Male or female, there was a point in time where she was the best athlete and the face of the organization. And then Holly Holm came in and knocked Ronda right off of her throne. Ronda went into hiding for a while before she came back out for redemption to fight yet again, only to be embarrassed not once, but twice. It seems like Ronda's MMA days might be behind her now after a WWE teaser came out. Some say the fighter should maybe transfer over into wrestling. What do you guys think about that? Let me know in the comments below. Well, out with the old and in with the new. Check out this young 9-year-old fighter who can already whoop your booty blindfolded. Kyra is from the Ukraine and already is sponsored by Under Armour. Oh, and although she is killing it in kickboxing, this little tough cookie boxes too. Well, I'm pretty sure all the little boys on the playground are minding their manners around her. So, is Kyra going to be the next superstar? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and shop the Fumble store before you go, and I'll see you soon.